Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to make another cute, quick Christmas card, okay? I say we because my granddaughter's in the background playing around, so you're going to hear her too. So it's both of us here. Actually, it's more than both of us, but you're going to hear her. So we have the Christmas tags and more mix and match specialty designer series paper, the greetings for you mix and match ephemera pack. These are stickers, all gold and white, okay? Then we're going to be using the ornamental Christmas stamp set, okay? Before we get started on the project, of course, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Fall for 12 paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 elegant cards. Cajun Craze is the stamping spot, and this kit coordinates with the Autumn 12 suite in the mini catalog. The item number for that suite is 165904. The Circle of Seasons add-on dies are still available for $12, and it coordinates with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. You redeem your rewards on future orders. You track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and rewards expire after 12 months of the earning date. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on this project before my granddaughter gets too loud for us. So first thing we're going to do is stamp on this basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. This is for the inside of our card. And I'm going to stamp wishing you peace and joy. And we're just going to try to get this straight. Oh, not straight, but let's see. I'll turn it over. Paper has 2 sides for a reason. Okay. Nope, it's just as bad. So we'll just use the front part. We're going to add some designer series paper at the bottom. And the designer series paper is 3/4. And we're going to cut it down to 4 3/4. So we're going to have that on there like that. Get our scissors. Trim off the extra. Whoop. This is why I give it a little time to settle so I won't move it while I'm trying to trim. Then we're going to take some Stampin' Seal and add this to a piece of cherry cobbler that is 5 by 3 3/4. And that will be the inside of our card done. Okay. And then I have a piece of crumb cake here. This is 3 1/4 by 2 1/2. And I'm going to get some crumb cake ink, and we're just going to stamp a little image on here just to have make a background, just so it won't be plain. So we're going to do tone on tone stamping, and it's just, I don't know, these little lines. I don't even know what this is for. I don't know what purpose this serves in the stamp set. What is it supposed to be used for? I don't know, but that's all we're going to do. Just some random stamping on it. Okay, so now let's get our card base and build this card up. So I have a card base here of thick basic white that is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. And we're going to add our inside to the card with some liquid glue. Add this right on in here. Okay, then for the outside we have some more cherry cobbler. This is 5 1/4 by 4, and we're going to add some designer series paper that is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. We're going to layer these together. Ooh, I dropped that too soon. Hope I'm staying in view of the camera. So then I have another piece of cherry cobbler. This one is 3 3/8 by 2 5/8. No, 1 7/8 by 3 7/8. I have another piece here that is 3 3/8 by 2 5/8. So we're going to layer all the things. You guys, I know I usually try to wait till everyone is asleep or gone out of the house. Hey, Mama. No, no, no. But if I wait, I will never get anything done. You can have it. So I have to film while my granddaughter's awake sometimes. But I don't mind her noise. Her noise is cute noise. So we're gonna adhere this, what is this, crumb cake onto its cherry cobbler base. Then we're gonna get this card put together. Okay, so this is gonna go onto this piece here. She wants to help design the card. She took my measurements. She took the paper with my measurements on it. Okay, so I'm trying to get this straight. Straight as Shauna can get it. Then we're gonna add this to our card base. Just like this. Okay, and we're gonna add this right here. Still using liquid glue. I'm gonna put that about right there, like that. Then I took a piece of this little ornament from the Designer Series paper, one of the die cuts, and I added some Versamark ink up here and put gold embossing powder on there to make my little thing gold. Thought that was cute. And I'm popped this up on some Stampin' Dimensionals. We're gonna add this right here like that. And then I have one of the sentiments from our little pack of gold and white sentiments. And I popped a dimensional on one side. Because again, I told you guys this is a sticker, so I just put the dimension on one side, and we're gonna pop this on here about right there, like that. 'Tis the season. Then I have a bow using the gold striped mesh ribbon. I already went ahead and tied a bow and put a little bit of tear and tape on the back. And we're gonna use this to stick our bow down. Yes, I'm almost done, dear. We're gonna put that right there. Then we're gonna add some bling and we'll be done. So I have the traditional sparkling sequins here. We're gonna get some of the gold ones. Where's my take your pick tool? And let's add. Yes, I'm making a video. You wanna help? Is that what you're telling me? We put a big one and a little one here. And let's get a medium one and sit it right over here, just like that. And call this card done. Isn't that cute? That is so pretty. Just a little bit of stamping. Next time, get your label straight. I'll fix this by placing something over it, but it's good for now. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.